Hi, my name is Balázs from Internode. I'm going to give you a quick update on the progress of our product, and also I'm going to give you a quick demo on the current features and capabilities of Internode. So there might be some of you who are not familiar with what Internode is doing. So for you guys, let me show you the public website that we are just about to release. So Internode is a tool that you can use to make sure that all of your ideas, tasks, knowledge, responsibilities, and insights are safe and documented. So no one is going to forget about those anymore. What you have to do is to connect your calendar to Internode. We're going to use the calendar data that you have, the transcripts, and also your manual notes. And we are going to give you prep reports that you can read previously to each meeting, or you can read the debrief reports that we are generating after each meeting. And we are going to give you much more than that. So for example, as you can see here in this example, after each meeting, we are generating a report for you where you can see the name of the meeting, the time, list of participants, resources, for example, if you have uploaded a transcript or not. For each meeting, we are going to give you a small summary and also the list of tasks, knowledge pieces, responsibilities, and decisions. So everything is documented here and connected through time and also meetings. So in order to use Internode, you don't have to do anything, just connect your calendar and transcripts to our product. You can either do that automatically, or you can upload your transcripts manually after each meeting. In return, we are going to give you pre-meeting briefs and reports. We are going to give you action points and talking points previously to the meeting and after the meeting. Also, we are connecting all the ideas, knowledge pieces, and insights across your meetings. And also, we are giving you debrief reports that you can use by yourself, or you can choose to share it with your team. So the reason why we are developing Internode is to make sure that you don't spend a lot of time on prepping to meetings, and also to make sure that no ideas, knowledge pieces, or tasks are forgotten. So with Internode, we can make sure that your preparation time is significantly lower than previously. So how does Internode work? When you connect your calendar information and also transcripts to Internode, we are conducting research for each participant, organization, and also all of the connections that we see inside the meeting. We are retrieving all of the historical data from the transcripts that we have, and also we are generating a report for you. You can either use Internode, our platform, to check the reports and also the tasks and insights, or we can send you these via email or any type of platform, for example, Teams or Slack. So let me give you a quick update and demo on our product. When you log in, you can use either your Google account or your Microsoft account. Since I already have an account with Internode, I can just sign in with my Microsoft email. And in a couple of seconds, you will be able to see all of my upcoming and previous meetings. As you can see here, I have already given permission to my calendar data to Internode. Let me check one example. For example, this demo meeting. You can see here that I have the name of the meeting, the time, the list of participants, organizations, and also the description. I can choose freely to check the prep meeting overview or the post-meeting summary. Since this meeting does not have a transcript yet, I wouldn't be able to see a post-meeting summary, but I would be able to show you example like that also. As you can see here, this is what we call a prep report. I would be able to see in this prep report what should I focus on, either me or my team, what should we not discuss or what should we avoid. And also here are the tasks and decisions that we have to discuss during the meeting. On the top, you would be able to see the list of participants. If you click on any of those tags, you would be able to see also a more detailed description on the actual participants that you have chosen previously. You can see the hobbies, expertise, background, an engager, and also a small summary. This is what we call the people research. So if you do not want to share your calendar data with us, Unfortunately, you wouldn't be able to use these two features, so we are not able to generate prep meeting overviews or post-meeting summaries for you. But you can still use the people research function. So this is what we call the people finder or people research. With two data points, an email address and a name, we would be able to find that person on the internet, get any information that is available publicly, and create a profile for you. So the more people that you are looking for, or the more people you have meetings with, the more contacts that you're going to have. And also those contacts will be more and more detailed as time passes. Going back to the event page, you can see that we have the information on all of the participants and also the organization that we are going to have that meeting with. In the prep report, I can see the typical data that I would need in order to conduct a successful meeting. And on the bottom part, I would be able to either add tasks previously to the meeting, or I can leave some notes. When you are later generating the post-meeting summary, all of these information that you see here, either in the prep report or in your manual notes, will be ingested, and the post-meeting summary will be created based on those and taking those elements into consideration. If I go back to the previous section, I can see that there are some meetings, for example, the daily stand-up sync from yesterday, that have a transcript uploaded. So in case you have a transcript uploaded and maybe notes previously created to the meeting, you can see that there will be a post-meeting summary available for you. So in this post-meeting summary, you are able to see all of the topics that were discussed. You will be able to see all of the tasks connected to each person, not just the raw text, but we are giving context to each task. We are giving you the priority, the status, who's the assigned person, and when was this task created. Or later, we would be able to also give you a deadline for each task. You can see that there are tasks for each person or participant in the meeting, and you can also see the decisions that have been made during the call. So for example, in this case, this decision had been connected to me. This is the headline or name of this decision, small context and rationale, and you can also see the priority and the status of this specific decision. So currently that was the quick introduction and demo of what Internode is capable of. Stay tuned for the bi-weekly updates that we are going to give you on our progress. And as I said before, if you are interested in trying out Internode and seeing how these features can give you value, just feel free to contact us via LinkedIn, or also you can contact us via our public website. Thank you.